Greetings from Florida. We're working on a 2009 to 2014 F-150. This is the crew cab, the four-door. The super cab with the two small doors in the back is has a different part. The procedure is about the same, but a different part. So you've got a plate right there that you're going to pop off, and you've got, I want to say 5/16 bolts there behind the chrome handle, and two where your hand would pull the door closed. I think I use an 8mm. You can use an 8mm too, but you'll need an extension. If you need these, you might find them on my website, upanddownmainstreet.com. There's two small bolts at the bottom. I don't remember if they were 9/32. They were small though. There's two of them at the bottom. You're gonna pop those out. Common problem on these is the regulator breaks, the cables that pull the window up and down on metal cross brace. The door panel is going to lift up, and right there at that map pocket, there's a little bit of a clip in there. You might have to pop it off. If there's an indentation by that cover, it shows you that you need to pop it back to pull it off. If there's no indentation, the whole thing slides up. On the back, we've got 4 wiring harnesses. Unplug those. And to get the cable off the silver handle, off the chrome handle, you'll probably need a pair of needle nose pliers. The wiring harness is just unplugged. Five/16 bolts, one there, and then that should pop off no problem. Three 5/16 bolts there. I'm taking off the whole plastic moisture barrier just so you can see what's going on. So next you're going to need to get the window up so that you can unscrew the 10mm bolts that hold the glass clips to the glass. You can cut the cables if it makes life easier for you. Don't cut any electrical cables, of course, but the wiring cables you can cut with a pair of linesman's pliers. I was trying to see if I can get access to it right there, but I couldn't. Oh, I guess I did get it up. Okay, 10mm bolts there and there. By the way, if you find this video helpful, do me a favor and like the video. That will help other people who are looking for the same video as you on YouTube to find it. I would appreciate that. Two 10mm nuts at the bottom that you can't see, but they're really very visible. You're going to pull out the entire regulator motor assembly, clean out anything that's in the bottom. You're going to grab the new regulator motor assembly. Oh, the other thing you're going to see right now that I just dropped, those retainers that the bolts to the door panel screw into, they loosen up over time. So you could try crimping them together more. I think you'll find the easier thing to do is just take a piece of duct tape or Gorilla Tape and just tape it so that they stay in place. I believe there's 3 or 4 of them. That's the new one. By the way, I didn't show this either, but before you take the old one out, make sure you have the correct regulator for this. You don't want to take it out and find out you get the wrong one. This is really quite easy. Should have no problem with it. Tighten down the 10mm bolts, tighten down the two 10mm nuts at the bottom. And I'm grabbing the door panel now so I can put the clips up to grab onto the glass so I can tighten it down. I'm not really putting the panel on, I'm just connecting the wiring harness. As you can see, I got the clips all the way up. I'm just tightening them down. Probably going to try it out. And it works fine. If you have to reset the automatic, you may have to reset the automatic down. Put the window all the way down and continue holding the button for 10 seconds after it's down. And that should reset it for you, if that's an issue. Also, every 2 or 3 months, lightly spray the two up and down channels on the side, the run channels, with a little bit of WD-40, Power Lube, Pam cooking spray, whatever. You don't have to soak it, but just give it a light spray. The run channels dry out and cause the glass to grab, so a little dab will do you. And I'm going to leave you now. I think you've got this under control. Again, if it's beneficial for you, if you found this helpful, do me a favor, please like the video. And thank you very much for watching and have a great week.